Good morning. Welcome back to Mountain Built. Yesterday I didn't film. We didn't do too much progress. We got got a lot of progress done, but nothing that would look good on video. It was kind of boring. Got all the hold down bolts tightened down, screwed in, the bracket screwed in. Worked on a little bit of top plate. Today we're going to finish up the top plate and kind of go from there. We might cut back the eaves a little bit and put some trusses up. We did get our trusses delivered. As you can see, our trusses are delivered. They look mighty fine, and yeah, everything's looking good. Put in a little bit of blocking, some of the top plate, and yeah, everything's moving along, coming along pretty well. So I'll take you for a little tour real quick. So this right here, it's boarded up. This is going to be the entrance to the living room from the existing house. So we come over here. This is our living room. We got a nice big 6-foot window here, lets in a lot of sunlight. Then we got the French doors over here. This is our living room. When you come out the French doors, the pillars there, it's going to be a deck, covered patio. Gonna be pretty cool. And then we got our hallway. I still have to demo this, but once we come through the hallway, there'll be a door here for a laundry room. Take a right into our bedroom. This is going to be the master bedroom, and then we do have to build a couple interior walls today for our master bath and walk-in closet. So a little update for you guys. We're going to continue doing the top plate and hopefully get some interior walls put up this morning. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we finished up a few things. I know that the time lapse cut off mid through it. We got the closet all done. We still got to do a wall in the bathroom, but James is taking care of the last bit of eave that we have to cut out before we do the trusses. He brought his tractor. He's going to lay down the trusses. We're going to slide them up and put them up here shortly. So stay tuned for that. morning. Welcome back to Mountain Built. It's gonna be day 2 of our trusses. Yesterday we got up quite a few. We got up 7 of them, and one of them was a double. It's pretty heavy. So James is firing up the tractor. We're gonna keep going. You can see the progress from yesterday, looking really good. There. I'll throw you guys in the same spot so you guys can see the rest of the trusses. So hopefully we'll get all the trusses up today and set and ready to rock and roll. Okay, we got about half of them up now, and now we have to set the triple. So you're gonna watch us set the triple. It's basically 3 of those trusses that have SDS screws, these big old long Simpson screws, and to hold all 3 together, and it's quite heavy. We're gonna get 3 people up on top, pushing it up while 2 people are helping. So that's the next big hurdle to take care of, and you'll watch as we go, but we got good progress. We're doing good. Okay, we got the big 3x1 up. We got the other ones up. We're doing good. We're gonna continue. I think we have 3 left, then plus the front gable, so a total of 4. We're gonna be done. Hey guys, I just want to give you a recap of the day. Today's super wicked windy out there, so I couldn't really record any audio with my video. It just got washed out by the wind. But I wanted to show you here a little bit of recap of the house. All the trusses are up. They're looking really, really good. Everything is in order. This is what we're doing for the past couple days. Here's the front of the house. Those are where the windows going upstairs. And then all this is, we got all this complete. Day and a half. It was really awesome. Really worked out. Wanted to show you this little video kind of just to recap the day. I appreciate everybody tuning in to Mountain Built. Thank you so much for watching these videos, subscribing, clicking that bell icon. We really appreciate the response that we've already gotten. It's great. Keep watching the videos. We're currently up to date now. I'm gonna throw the video out, or I'm gonna put the video, or sorry, the camera out today, and record. I'm gonna do a little bit today. Again, it's super windy. It's kind of sketchy for me to be up on a ladder, things with the wind going on. I mean, it's really blowing pretty good. So I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna put some of the hanger clips that we need to put in. Do a little odds and end, maybe frame up a couple more interior walls that I need to get done. So that's gonna kind of be game plan for today. So as of right now, as this video is dropping, you guys are kind of caught up on the project where we're at, and we're gonna keep pressing forward and moving forward, and hopefully get some drywall, siding, and hopefully get the roof sheeted and California framed here pretty quickly. Hopefully I could get that done in the next couple days. So stay tuned. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support, and we'll see you in the next one.